Hello, dear children. Good morning, children. Today I am going to start with the new lesson, and the name of the lesson is your fifth lesson or agriculture. So, all of you open page number 251 in your textbooks, children. So, before going to start the lesson, let us see the warm up part. Who am I? Solve the riddles given below. So they have given some riddles and we have to solve these. Okay, let us see. First one. You put me in water and cook me. My name rhymes with something that is kept in the freezer. I am dash. Second one. I am white and fluffy and make you feel comfortable in summer. My name rhymes with something your shirt has. I am dash. Third one. You grind me, wet me, knead me and bake me. My name rhymes with how the sugar tastes. I am dash. Fourth one. You boil me, sieve me and drink me. My name rhymes with that which you need to open a locked door. I am dash. So these are the riddles, children. You have to solve them using C. My name rhymes with something that is kept in the freezer. So they have given some tip even in order to solve. Think about it. Where do these products come from? So you have to think. You have to answer to the riddles and you have to think where do all these products come from. Okay. So in this lesson we are going to learn cropping seasons, types of crops and advancements in agriculture. All of you turn your pages. Agriculture. Agriculture or farming is the practice of cultivating land. So, the practice of cultivating the land is known as agriculture or farming. It also includes other farm related practices like horticulture, livestock rearing and fishing. What do you mean by horticulture? Horticulture means the art or practice of cultivating fruit, vegetables and flowers. So, the farm related practices are like horticulture, livestock rearing and fishing. Agriculture gives food for our consumption and raw materials for industries. So, this agriculture gives food to us and it is useful as a raw material for industries. Nearly 3/5 of the Indian population are farmers. So 3/5 of the Indian population are farmers. What makes India an agricultural country? Do you know, children? Fertile soil, favorable climatic conditions and adequate irrigation facilities have made it possible for the farmers of our country to grow a variety of crops. So, we the Indians have fertile soils and climatic conditions are favorable to us and we have an adequate irrigation facilities. So, all these made possible for the farmers of our country to grow a variety of crops. So here we can see children farmers working in a rice field in West Bengal. In West Bengal, there are these members of farmers. They are working in a rice field. Cropping seasons. India has 3 cropping seasons: Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. So the cropping seasons of India are mainly 3: Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Kharif crops are sown in at the starting of monsoons and harvested at the end of monsoons. So at the starting of monsoons, these kharif crops are sown and these are harvested at the end of the monsoon season. Crops such as rice, maize, millets, jute and cotton are grown during this season. So they will cultivate crops like rice, maize, millets, jute and cotton in the monsoon season. The rabi crops are sown at the starting of winter season and harvested at the starting of summer season. So the rabi crops, these crops are sown at the starting of winter season and are harvested at the starting of summer season, means ending of winter season. Okay. Crops such as wheat, barley, peas and mustard are grown during this season. So during the rabi season, the crops like wheat, barley, peas and mustard are grown. In between the rabi and the kharif season, there is a short season during the summer months known as the zaid season. So between rabi and the kharif season, there is a zaid season in the summer months. Crops such as vegetables and seasonal fruits are grown during this season. So during this season is helpful for horticulture mainly. Why? Because vegetables and seasonal fruits are grown in this season. Next, types of crops. In India, farmers produce two types of crops: food crops and cash crops. Refer to a good atlas for the map showing distribution of crops across India. So, when the schools begin, I will show you the atlas, children. Okay. So I will show you the distribution of crops across India. And see, food crops. Food crops are crops that are grown for human consumption. Some major food crops grown in India are rice. See, food crops, climatic requirements and main producers. Rice. Climatic requirement is hot and humid with plenty of rainfall is required for rice. Main producers are West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Odisha and Kerala. Next, wheat. And the climatical conditions required are cool and moist. And the main producers of wheat are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Next one, millets. Jowar, Bajra and Ragi. And the climatical conditions requirement for millets are like hot and dry climate. And the main producers of millets are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Pulses including lentils, dals like moong, masoor, arhar and gram. Climatical conditions required are dry climate, and the main producers of these pulses are Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan. So these are the types of crops, food crops, children. Once go through the today's video, children. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I will continue the remaining lesson in our next class. Bye children. Thank you.